powerful SQL resources allowing us to combine data from multiple tables in a single query. The simplest definition of SQL subquery is a query inside a query. Although subqueries are generally used in where clause, you can use them in other clauses such as from, having, and select. My name is Abdulkadir Salami. Let's see how it's done. A subquery is a query inside another query. Let's talk about how to make one query use a result from another. We don't actually need to make a long complex query. We can see the principle easily in a smaller query. Now let's get to the example. Right now we are going to work on my SQL store database. So let's write the query. So we are going to start with our select statement. Select all from, we give it a parenthesis, select name, quantity in stock, then multiply by unit price as stock value from products. Then we close the parenthesis, then we give it our SQ, which is our subquery, where subquery dot our stock value is greater than equals to 30. So now let's execute it. So now this gives us a smaller query, not like the first complex one. Like I said, we don't actually need to make a long complex query. We can see the principle easily in a smaller query. So this is just an example. You can see that here. Select all from, then we create our subquery, which is select name. We need our name, our quantity in stock, multiply by our unit price, and then give it an alias called stock value from product. Then our subquery dot stock dot value greater than 30. So this is exactly what the output will be. Let's work on an inline view subquery. An inline view is a subquery in the from clause of the SQL statement. Just as if it was a table, it acts as a table source. Okay, let's suppose we want the employee's salary and the minimum salary in their department. On our table called workers, we have details of employee ID, department ID, last name, salary, and the minimum salary. So right now we are writing a query to showcase the employee salary and their minimum salary in their department. So now to do that, I'm going to copy and paste the query to make it fast. So this is the query, so I can explain it. So what we have now is that we created an alias for each of our table. So we have select employee ID, department, line, the minimum salary from workers, and then we create our subquery, which is the minimum salary from department ID from worker. It should be grouped by department ID, where department ID is equals to our alias department ID. So in summary, what we are extracting out from here, we are extracting the employee salary and their minimum salary, and it should be grouped by department ID. So let's have a look at it. Okay, so as you can see, we have from employee ID, from descending order, you can see our department ID. This is it, our salary from 8,000 to our minimum salary from 4,400 is how we write query to extract employee salary and their minimum salary using subquery from their department. Thank you. Please kindly subscribe, like, and share for more videos. Thank you.